Here, most people spend months preparing for certification that takes them absolutely nowhere. They collect PDFs, fill their LinkedIn profiles, and still nothing changes. Are you in the same state? But what if I told you that with just three smart Google certification, you could actually build a roadmap to a 40 lakhs per year tech career? This isn't a hype, it's a strategy. I am saying is with my 25 years of experience in the IT industry. Let's break them down and show you the exact path. See, here is the problem: people keep chasing random certification with zero career movement because someone said, bro, get certified. They grind for months and end up what I call as a certification graveyard. But the truth, company don't pay for certificates. They pay for people who solve the problem. So stop collecting papers, start collecting the real valuable skills. Okay? Now, what if three smart choice? I mean, just imagine that you are taking a smarter route. Three certifications focused globally, recognized, and insanely valuable. These are fast track, and these are really fast tracking your career growth. Each one connects directly to a high demand, high salary role. And together they build your credibility, your capability, and your career goals and your career direction. Let's decode exactly how these three can take you to a 40 LPA goal. Right now, Google Cloud Computing is exploding in India. From startup to the massive MNCs, okay? Everyone is moving to the cloud, and Google Cloud has become a powerhouse for data analytics and AI. Okay, now that means one thing: a massive talent shortage and a massive opportunity. This is where your smart career moves begins. Let's go to the next one and see how do you actually get there. This is a roadmap. Okay, now step one is start as an associate cloud engineer. Step 2, build 2 to 3 years of projects experience. And step 3, specialize with one Google professional cloud certifications. Okay? It's not about jumping levels, it's about moving strategically with one solid step at one at a time. Okay? Now, first up, the professional cloud architect, the master planner of the cloud world. Now, these are the people who design the entire digital cities in the cloud. Systems that are secure, scalable, and efficient. They combine technology, business, and strategy to make big decisions that saves companies crores of money. Now, this certification proves that you can think like a consultant, design like an engineer, and execute like a leader. Average salary 25 lakhs to 35 lakhs per annum. It is the starting salary I'm saying. Okay. Now, top architects, they hit 40 to 50. You don't just pass these certifications. Basically, you are earning it. Now, let's move to the next one quickly. Now, what these cloud architects actually do? So what does they actually do is they design multi-region architecture that manage security, compliance, and the cost optimizations, right? They ensure systems are always available and always fast, and they communicate with the C-level executives. You will need at least 3 years of industry experience before attempting these certifications. This is in my channel with the enterprise architecture. I keep talking about this, but this is what you should have: at least 3 years of industry experience. Now, this is for the builders who thinks at scale. Okay. Now, professional. Let's move to the professional data engineering part. Next, this is the builder of the data highways. Okay. If the cloud architect designed the city, the data engineers builds the road that moves the data. They design and maintain the pipelines. Okay. Work with BigQuery, data flow, data prop, and make raw data usable for analysis and machine learning. In short, they turn data into power. Salaries range from 22 to 30 lakhs, but senior engineers easily cross 35 to 40. Remember, if data is new oil, data engineers are the refinery builders. So don't forget this. Let's move to the next one. Now, a data engineer's day is about transforming the chaos in the clarity. So what does they do? They're turning the chaos into clarity. They design and monitor the data architecture. Okay, they ensure that reliability and security of every data flow. They collaborate with analytics and ML teams to make sure data is ready for insights. They literally build the foundation that powers AI and modern business intelligence. It's a creative, analytical, and highly rewarding path. Remember this, okay? Now, moving to the next one is professional machine learning engineer. Who are those? This is the final certification I am talking about, the certification of the future, the professional machine learning engineering. These are the people who bring artificial intelligence to life at scale. They take machine learning models, make them production ready on Google Cloud. Now, this role combines software engineering, data science, and DevOps, a discipline called ML Ops today. Remember this. Now, with tools like TensorFlow, Kubeflow, and Google AI platforms, they turn research into results. And what is the typical salary? 24 to 34 lakhs per annum to start with. Now, top performers are going 50 lakhs and above. Okay. Now, this is where the tech meets the frontiers. So don't forget this and keep an eye on this. What ML engineers actually do? ML engineers design AI solution that works in the real world. They automate ML pipelines, optimize inference at scale, and continuously improve model performance. They sit right at the intersection of software, data, and innovation. If you love solving hard problems and shaping the future, this is your path. And what is your success equation? Let me show you. Now, what's the real secret formula? Experience plus projects plus certifications is equal to career growth. Start with associate cloud engineer, build 2 to 3 years of hand-on project experience, and then choose your specialization, architect, data, or machine learning. Now document your journey, okay? Now, say for example, you are doing it in GitHub projects, case studies, real proof of skills, all these things you have to document. That's how you move from average to an high impact and high income. With that, are you ready to escape the certification graveyard? Now you know the path. It's not about collecting certificates. It's about building expertise that companies will pay for. Stop collecting PDFs. I'm saying you. Start collecting projects. Choose your Google Cloud path today. The official links I can provide, or otherwise you can directly go to the Google certification path and you will be able to get that. And if this roadmaps gives you clarity, hit that subscribe button. I post weekly videos to help you to build high income tech career. Your 40 lakhs LPA journey starts now. Let's conclude this. Now, if you recap the whole thing, whatever I have said, the cloud architect is the first one, the strategist of the cloud. The data engineer, the builder of the data infrastructure. The ML engineer, the innovator, driving artificial intelligence. Remember, experience means projects, and with that you need certification. That's the real career formula. Follow it and you will never have to chase opportunities again. Opportunities will chase you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much.